She walked away. Maybe she thought she could do better. Maybe she thought you'd fall apart without her. But what if you could make her regret everything without saying a single word? Regret doesn't come from chasing. It comes from silence and transformation. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to become the man she never thought you could be. The man she secretly wishes she hadn't lost. Why she doesn't regret it yet, right now. She's not thinking about you the way you're thinking about her. While you're replaying memories, she's laughing with friends, scrolling her phone, texting some new guy, acting like none of it mattered. That hurts. I know it does. But listen carefully. Her silence isn't strength. It's ego. She's waiting for you to reach out, to chase, to beg, to crumble. That's the moment everything shifts. Because when you go quiet, you don't just disappear. You become a mystery. And women can't stand unsolved questions. The glow up she didn't expect. Instead of chasing, you evolve. You start hitting the gym, dressing sharper, fixing your posture, rebuilding your focus. Your stories don't show sadness. They show motion, energy, presence. You don't talk about her. You don't post sad quotes. You just rise. And then it happens. One of her friends casually says, "You know he's doing really well, right? Looks happy. Looks like he's thriving." And just like that, her world tilts. Her heart sinks. She goes quiet, and her mind races. Wait, how is he happy? How is he okay without me? Has he moved on? That craving kicks in, not for love, but for control she no longer has. And that's the first seed of regret. Silence is power. Here's what she didn't expect. You didn't block her. You didn't throw shade. You didn't act cold. You just became unavailable. She starts watching, liking your stories, sending subtle messages, testing the waters. And you stay calm. You don't bite. You don't act bitter. You don't act interested. You're not the same guy she left. And nothing shakes a woman more than the man who used to beg, now walking away in silence. Make her miss who you are now. You didn't fight, you didn't beg, you let her go, and she expected you to break. But instead, you upgraded. Every single day, you're becoming more of the man she thought she could replace. And now, she compares. She sees your confidence, your peace, your growth. And the new guy she's texting feels like a downgrade. Suddenly, she sees what she gave up, and it hits her. Not because you told her anything, but because she can see it. Strategic indifference. Then comes the test. She'll come back. Not always with a sorry. Sometimes it's just a, "Hey, been thinking about you." Sometimes a random like or a message out of nowhere. And you stay cool. You respond, not with anger, not with excitement, but with distance. You don't punish her, you don't chase her. You speak like a man who's already moved forward. And in that moment, she finally realizes, I didn't just lose him, I lost the best version of him. Don't prove her wrong with words. Become the proof. Let your actions speak in silence. Let your energy remind her that the man she left no longer exists. She lost a boy, but the man you became, she can't reach him anymore. Subscribe to Decode Her. We don't chase women here. We build men they can't forget.